Welcome to Loghouse. We are Ireland's leading log cabin manufacturer. Established in 2017, we are Ireland's only manufacturer and supplier of log cabins. This means we make our own windows, thermal wood cladding and more, with 15 teams across all of our locations: Bray, Rathcoole, Kinsealy, Cork and Athlone. These aren't sheds, these cabins are made for living. And if you do decide to move on, rent it out or sell it, then it becomes an asset, not an expense. And when it comes to cost, most of our clients say the cabins will practically pay for themselves in a few years, especially when you compare it to the renters market at the moment. With our one-stop shop approach, we handle it all, from design, planning advice and base work, right through to our final delivery and installation. No third parties, no hassle. Loghouse just isn't cabins, it's affordable living made to last. Made in Ireland, come down and check out the quality from yourself and we can make your dream space.